Okay, so here we are. The next step, the body is on. I have attached it in the rear where the quick jack goes, just with the 2 bolts back here. And I have attached it at the front where the quick jack goes with the bracket and then the 2 bolts up front. And it's going to the paint and body guy today, where they're gonna sand it and fit it and do all that. I'm not doing that. That is out of my wheelhouse of things to do. So they're gonna do it and take care of it. One of the things I have noticed, you know, like I've been saying in my other videos, I have to figure out how to reroute the air tube there. But for right now, it's still fine. It hasn't rubbed at all in the driving that I've done. I've put I finished up the driver foot box aluminum and put that on there. And then, yeah, kind of cleaned up some other things. And I'm just gonna leave it pretty much bare for now and get the body work done. I gotta put the roll bars back on so that they can go there. But everything else, you know, I'm gonna leave it with the side pipes off of it for now. Hopefully it doesn't melt the body down there. I don't think it should. The exhaust gas doesn't actually come out that hot from there. But yeah, I do need to make some adjustments as to ride height. You see the gap over here, and then you see the gap over here is much bigger. So I need to do some adjustments on the suspension. There's also a bigger gap on the rear on this side than there is over here on this side. So those are some things, and that might just be, it might be the body that has to be trimmed down. So that's something, you know, I don't know, I'll have to figure it out of what I got to do, or not the body be trimmed down, but the body adjusted on the chassis here. But yeah, so there you go. That's pretty much it. And I do have to fix the fuel tube that's down here. That's a little bit off. And I have to figure out I want to mount the battery a little bit better, because under here, it's gonna be pretty tight. And the battery hold down that they gave me in the kit, it doesn't work with a Mustang battery. It works, I'm assuming it works with a different kind of battery. So yeah, I am, one of the things I was concerned about is a lot of the decisions that I made under the hood and what would be accessible or not. And what I'm actually pleased to see is that things are still pretty accessible, even, you know, when the body's on. Not as easily as accessible. Like, I don't know how you get fluid in the brake master cylinder. That's a mystery. You can't really access it under the hood, which I don't know if I like. But now I know why people do remote reservoirs. You know, all these little things. You can't really get to some of the other things that I could get to very easily before, but you know, that is what it is. And there's some other things I'd like to go over, but yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it for now. I don't really know. I mean, you know, other than doing another update when the body comes back, yeah, that might be it for a while. I don't know how long it's going to take them to do that, but they got to fit everything. So I'll give another update when that's back. It's probably going to be, so the body guy is going to do the fitting and sanding and everything, and then I might have another guy paint it. And we're trying to go with like a really basic paint job, something super cheap and simple. So I'll give some more updates later, but that's it for now.